Have you ever wondered why certain posts pop up on your feed when using your favorite social media platform, X? What if I told you there's a complex algorithm at work that decides what you see? Intrigued? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the fascinating world of social media algorithms. So, what is an algorithm? In the simplest terms, it's a set of instructions designed to perform a specific task. In the case of X, the algorithm is essentially a recipe that processes vast amounts of data to decide what content will appear on your feed. Now, what exactly goes into this recipe? X uses a combination of factors to curate your feed. This includes the type of content you interact with, the accounts you follow, and even the time you spend on certain posts. It's like a personal chef that knows your taste and serves you the perfect dish every time. So, how does it all come together? Once X has gathered all the necessary ingredients, it then uses machine learning to predict what you'll want to see. This process is ongoing and constantly adapts to your changing preferences. It's like a chef who not only knows your favorite dish, but also anticipates what you'll want to try next. What does this all mean for you? Well, it means that X is constantly working to make your social media experience as tailored and enjoyable as possible. You're not just a passive consumer, but an active participant in shaping your own digital landscape. Now, let's pause for a moment to reflect. While this algorithm undoubtedly enhances our social media experience, it's important to remember that it's not without its flaws. There's a fine line between personalization and invasion of privacy, and this is where the real challenge lies. In conclusion, the X algorithm is a complex and dynamic system that plays a significant role in shaping our online experience. It's a tool that can be both empowering and invasive. As we move forward, it's crucial that we continue to question and scrutinize these algorithms, ensuring they serve our best interests. So the next time you're scrolling through X, remember there's a lot more going on behind the scenes than meets the eye. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and stay engaged.